Mindful walking, each step a meditation. Welcome to our video on mindful walking, a simple yet powerful practice that transforms ordinary walks into moments of meditation. This practice is perfect for anyone, especially if you are looking to bring mindfulness into your everyday activities. Let's explore how each step you take can be a step towards greater peace and awareness. What is mindful walking? Mindful walking is about walking while being aware of each step and breath. Instead of rushing from one place to another or getting lost in thoughts about the past or future, you focus on the present moment. You pay attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the rhythm of your breath, and the sights and sounds around you. Benefits of mindful walking. Number 1. Reduces stress. By focusing on the present, mindful walking helps calm your mind, reducing stress and anxiety. Number 2. Enhances awareness. It increases your awareness of the environment, helping you appreciate the beauty of the natural world. 3. Improves physical health. Walking is a great form of physical exercise that can improve your overall health and stamina. 4. Boosts mood. Being outdoor and engaging in physical activity can elevate your mood and improve your emotional well-being. How to practice mindful walking? Number 1. Start with intention. Begin your walk with the intention to be present. Decide that the next few minutes of walking will be focused on mindfulness. Number 2. Focus on your senses. Pay attention to the feel of the ground under your feet, the air on your skin, and the sounds around you. Notice each breath as you inhale and exhale. Number 3. Slow your pace. Try to slow down your walking pace slightly. This makes it easier to concentrate on each movement and breath. Number 4. Gently return to the present. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to the experience of walking and breathing. Conclusion. Mindful walking is a wonderful way to turn a simple activity into a profound practice. It allows you to connect with the present moment, bringing a sense of peace and clarity that can carry over into the rest of your day. Remember, each step is an opportunity to cultivate mindfulness, patience, and gratitude. So, step outside and enjoy the journey of mindful walking, one step at a time. Through this practice, you will find that every walk becomes a chance to reconnect with yourself and the world around you, turning what might seem like mundane scrolls into nourishing and enriching experiences.